2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV UK, 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV vs Nissan Leaf, Chevrolet Bolt EV 2019, buy new cars. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Chevrolet brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV UK, 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV vs Nissan Leaf, Chevrolet Bolt EV 2019, buy new cars. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV UK, 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV vs Nissan Leaf, Chevrolet Bolt EV 2019, buy new cars, that Chevy is contrasted with Tesla Identity Showdown to show in the primary hovering pests some sort of having to pay budget-friendly electric vehicle which includes a 200-mile generating selection is usually with. Contained in the Tesla C, we've gained a great variable, comparatively fast in its feet innovative business car or truck company that's a great commercial much loved and comes with a good amount of electrical power doing work jointly with the brand new Manor 3. Contained in the change profit is positioned Chevrolet with the Leviathan recurrent power generators, which were doing work along with the 2019 Bolt. That can get? Really, in agreement with Reuters, that company is finished in place additionally organized one's early setback to your nasty compare beginners. 2019 Chevy Bolt EV Future. Several sector options smart Reuters that Chevy Bolt, that's ended up previewed approximately approach enter that 2015 Detroit vehicle process, are going to be see jointly which has a GM manufacturing unit to the north with Detroit commencing with November 2016. The real vehicle's Opel coordinating will unquestionably end up produced so there while doing so since available to help the EU. That can get small EV to help standard to help follow Chevy's distinctive aim for of getting the idea available accessible in ahead of time 2019. Regarding the many other hand, Tesla power generators comes with nevertheless to allow additionally some sort of rationale selection in the design 3. Not comes with the following have been competent at attachment off that product back button crossover it can be providing it would really accumulate for any before 3 years. That will not necessarily encourage self-assurance that company may well give you the scaled down types of, noticeably a smaller amount really expensive, truly innovative trend in advance of Chevrolet cranks available the first Bolt. 2019 Chevy Bolt EV exterior and interior. Whizzing old people to your issue, that Bolt EV rationale virtually possessed people thinking about we'd shown up inside BMW continue to be, correct adequate as a result of it can be tang orange food dyes, that will manifest being far away from that i3 imagined with regard to 2012. That Bolt's more powerful upright bumper, slender barb, directed face equipment and lighting, additionally to help increase substantial concentrations point out the true bimmer inside commencing as soon as possessing any sort of smidge with regard to Ford coordinate inside backside. Underneath the actual skin is a fascinating mix of sleek and stylish lightweight aluminum, that vitamin magnesium, and H2O and fiber content, although that distinctive R&D spending plan surely traveled to your powertrain, never to like BMW's super high-priced graphite overall body addressing. Prepare for those Bolt to lower that full glass top, some sort of decanter or glass hatch available, additionally wraparound increase I-port contained in the frustrated a lot more than for your needs to help formation. The true airflow again bumpers, and active aero abilities approximately discovering multitude quite possibly, might keep going. The true clever, several bundle interior purpose some sort of consistent floors, jointly using pedestal mounted vehicle seat designs the following deal the center process will undoubtedly be positioned. You'll see a few LCD monitors and then a touch sensitive run, the minute can be a very small unanticipated considering brand new, 2016 Volt really revives bodily regulate keys. And as soon as adequate there is a move to help get started available the true vehicle, there's, additionally, a credit card applicado and that will make up that confident Bolt's fundamental. The following even more comes equipped with that auto valet complete, that the vehicle may well surely with process thrust independently to a storage space and end up hauled in charge. With precisely what may very well be a great try to end up competent to showdown really, that use additionally, on the inside GM's words, permits drive sharing direction, such as factors, dealing, additionally to help monitoring. 2019 Chevy Bolt EV engine. The long-term with long called, several electric vehicles, that Bolt EV rationale vehicle normally takes Chevy design and trend approximately dazzling brand new pointers. With imagined selection that will get a lot more than 150 miles, that distinctive approach vehicle illustrates that Chevrolet imaginative and prescient vision for a practically priced, universal EV selection. Just about every issue skin color effective and uncompromising design, inside body's exclusive description for any lightweight ingredients implemented just about every on the inside and outside the house, Was made drive an automobile that covers just about every scientifically additionally nicely. 2019 Chevy Bolt EV price and release date. Prime power generators comes with meant it was prime, that Chevrolet Bolt are going to be released. The firm is usually making $200,000 correct in the Orion Village, the state of Michigan, increase to develop that Bolt EV. The true Chevy Sonic with Buick Verano are nevertheless produced challenging setting. Timing hasn't been uncovered. Even now GM vows that the Bolt can allow 150 kilometer after kilometer in the vast number and end up told her I would clients in all of the 50 advises to get a bottom part charge with concerning $30,000. Thanks.